Hey guys, Jesse Helmedalli with TREBEL Wellness Solutions. Now we're going to go over the back squat. So the back squat is one of our favorite lifts, not only for just leg strength, but overall body strength. It's really a great test of can you stay tight, do you have good glute function, core function. So we're going to have Andrew come in here. He's going to maintain all the same things that we talked about in the dumbbell squat and the air squat. Now he's going to put this bar on his back. So really important on the setup that he gets his glutes tight, abs are nice and tight, rib cage is pulled under, shoulder blades are back and down. He's going to go ahead and get under the bar. He's going to attempt to bend this bar over his back. Yeah, there we go. That unit is one full tight piece. He's going to step up and he's going to clear himself from the rack, maybe a foot or two. Just want to make sure that he's not hitting these J hooks here. So all the same mechanics. The feet are screwed into the ground. He's going to shoot his hips back, drive his knees out, squat down. He's going to get his hip crease below his knee, and he's going to go ahead and stand. Let's go and just get a little bit lower for me, please, Andrew, and go ahead and do 4 more. So what we're looking at with his feet, his heels, his big toe, his pinky toe all digging in. Really, we're looking for equal and even weight distribution across his entire foot. His hips are tracking back nice. His knees are tracking out nice and wide. The back is nice and tight. The muscles are doing the work, not necessarily the spine. When he's finished, you can go ahead and rack it. Over time, we will progressively add more and more weight as is appropriate, but what's really important is that all the movements that we've done before, the air squat, the dumbbell squat, build upon into the back squat. Now we're just adding a load on the back. Great movement. Let me know what you think.